to the streets.
I love you. Subscribe.
It is day 45. We are at Florence Skate Park. I'm gonna try to get some clips on this ledge, but first might as well take a little stroll around. See what this park is all about. It's got a lot going on. I love it.
What's that? What is that?
Not quite ready for that drop back in, so let's go over to this ledge. I don't know if you can see that, but I took a spill. Woo! It's hot. All right, I might try this down ledge a little bit. So everything. Ow! I think that might be enough of that thing too. Hurt my leg. I'm practicing. It's not gonna show, but I have been. This is day. It's either 49 or 50. Yeah, we'll just say it's day 50. So here's some clips from day 50. Hopefully I don't bust my ass. Clips. I'm getting tired fast, so I'll try to get a couple clips for you at least. Lower fake handrail, somewhat safe to play on, so I'm going to try to do that before I want this rail over here so bad, but I gotta get used to this one first. Can happen. My hand up. straight to my hand. Oh, no. Right on my tailbone. Oh, that was right on the tailbone. Straight on the ass. That's what you get for not going all the way. If you question yourself, you're gonna hurt yourself. You just gotta go for it. I locked onto that. And then I tried to slide out right on my ass. Oh, be back in a minute. I'll know what that looked like, but I ain't doing that shit again. Let's go over here to this box.
To the street.